Hi guys, and welcome to today's tutorial where we'll be doing this beautiful dancing curtain. Compared to the previous curtains that we've done, it's a rather smaller curtain, fit for smaller windows or bathroom windows or toilet windows. And as you can see, it has a very good combination of different colors. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment and share these videos, and let's hop into making this beautiful curtain. So the materials required for this project are diamond beads, assorted colors. I just chose the best colors that I thought would fit this pattern, and you can use one color. It depends with your liking. Remember, this is just sort of like my views or my own sort of like creation, so you can also get creative and choose your own different color combination. And here we have wood beads that this is black color, and the other one is sort of, I think that's beige. And you have to have your 0.60 millimeters fishing line, and also a wood pallet where you have drilled holes. I think I did show you how to drill holes in the different intervals on the previous beaded curtain tutorial. If you haven't checked it out, kindly check it out. It's on our playlist, and leave a link down on the description below. So I'm going to take you through basically how we started from start to finish. Here you can see we are finishing up on the first string, but don't worry, I'll show you sort of like a guide on how we made the string, but it's just a very simple thing. You just make sure that all these holes are drilled properly and through. So I used intervals of 1 inch between the holes, and then at the top, as you can see there, we have sort of like that color combination, and on the top there we have the beads, the diamond beads that are used as stoppers. And we are going to progress one string at a time. Remember, this in actual sense takes a very long time, and if I was to do a complete tutorial, it would have taken more than 3 hours, and I'm quite sure you would have just gotten bored at the center. So that's why I tend to shorten it and show you the most important bits. So as you can see here, this is how we how we put the beads into the string. First of all, you need to make sure that you have sort of mastered or noted down the exact pattern or the exact color combination that you want for every string, so that you can have the end result in mind as you begin. I hope that's understood. And if you have watched our previous tutorials on how we do the beaded curtains, you will see that we usually kind of like scribble down on a book or a piece of paper, and we have sort of like a map. So if you haven't watched that tutorial, kindly check it out. I'll leave a link down on the description below. So for this one, it was just a creation that I thought of, and I felt that it would look good. So as you can see, we have started. This is usually the bottom side. You make sure that you've put one bead at the bottom as a stopper, and then remember the bottom side has got black color which is dominating, and then the random diamond beads that are different colored are put there to break the monotony of the black. Remember also, as you build it up, you need to keep in mind that there is the inverted V shape that the whole curtain has to have. So you once you have that in mind, you keep on adjusting each string according to the V shape that you want at the end. The easiest way is, first, before you start doing this, you scribble it down. Make sure that you have it on paper before you start. Also, as I have shown you previously on the right angle weave, we do have paper printout that is um, available. If you would want one, kindly reach out to me and I'll send it to you. My contacts are down on the description below, where you can be able to reach out and I'll send it to you. Also, I'm really grateful for all the feedback that you guys have been giving me. Some of you have even told me that you've been able to make some extra money, some extra income just from uh, these tutorials that we have here. You've been able to implement them and sell your products, and have been able to make some money from this tutorials. So I'm really grateful for you guys. Some of you have just made your products, and the very first beaded products, and some of you also would want to get into the beading business. I would really like to encourage you, if it's your first time to get into beading, you need to first practice. Make sure that you have perfected your arts, so that you can be able to sell genuine and very solid or unique and quality products to your clients. So first of all, take your time to do your different designs, or to do your practice, so that you can be able to perfect your art, and then you can start selling, maybe to your friends, to your colleagues at work, or to your family. And then you can also advance and post your products on social media, using your own social media handles. And just like beading is, you need to be very patient with this process. So you don't you're not going to necessarily start today and kind of like make it tomorrow, because beading or art is something that you keep learning every day. You need to learn something new every day. So just make sure that you have patience in mind, and you're going to be able to make it. As you can see here, what Rose is doing is counting the beads, so that you can be very sure of this pattern that we're making, so that it can come out exactly as we want it to. So this is kind of like a tedious process, because you have to count your beads. Like in every string that you make, you have to make sure that you have the number of beads in mind. So you need to be quite patient, and also very keen, so that you can have a very nice outcome at the end of the day. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly pause the video, go hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this content, so that it can be able to get to more and more people, and also just so that we can be able to boost the morale, or to help this content get to more people. And I'm also looking forward to inspiring more of you to start beading or to try out different beading techniques. And you can check out on our community tab where I mostly post upcoming tutorials or questionnaires which help us make better videos for you. And also I get to post things that you guys have been able to do, so don't forget to check out our community tab and also participate there by just going through the community tab. And also we have a variety of different other videos that we have on our playlist, so you can also check that out. And also another thing that I would like to remind you guys is we have private classes that are more comprehensive, slower, and step-by-step guidance is provided. Also, we can tailor make a class to your preferred request. So for those of you who have requests on how to make some custom pieces, you can now reach out to me. The contact information is provided down on the description below. I really hope that you have been able to learn something of substance today on this tutorial. And kindly don't forget to comment. Let me know what you'd like to see maybe on the next video, or let me know what your thoughts are on this beaded cutting. And as you can see, we are done making that one string. It took this whole time. That was real time. And we put another diamond bead on the top to act as a stopper, and then we secure it. And at the end of the day, we're going to snip off the excess fishing line. So for time's sake, forwarded it to this point, and I'm going to show you the end result in just a few. So as you can see, one string takes quite some time just to fix and to be able to make sure that it's exactly the same how it's supposed to come out. And as you can see, our end result looks amazing. So one thing you need to remember is just to be patient when you embark on any beading experiment or artwork. So our art looks amazing. I really hope to see what your thoughts are on this. Let me know in the comment section down below. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on our next video. If you would like to support us or buy something from us, the contact details are down below in the description. Kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and I hope to see you on our next video.